Hello and welcome to RIT Digital Collections. Today we'll be going over the Media Groups feature. In addition to searching and browsing, you can create your own groupings of collection items called media groups. For instance, you could curate photos for a class or lecture, or save objects for later reference while researching. Here's an example. In the media group Just Purple Things, there's images that have the color purple in them. Some are from the Cary Graphic Arts collection, and some are from the RIT Archives collection, but as you can see, they've all been stored in one place. You can view public media groups by hovering over the Explore tab and clicking on the Media Groups option. Here you can see a list of public groups. If this were a more expansive list, you could search by keyword or the creator's username. While anyone can view public groups, only members of the RIT community are able to create media groups. To get started, click on the Login button at the top and use the credentials for your RIT computer account. Once you're logged in, hover over the Create tab and click on Media Groups. First, enter a name for your group. Let's say I'm making a group for pictures of cats. Next, choose the privacy settings. Media groups can be public, private, or accessible by password only. This setting is useful if you want to give access to a specific group of people, such as a class, but don't want it available to the general public. If you plan on creating a lot of media groups, you can organize them with folders, which you'll have to create on a separate page, but don't worry, we'll go over that. If you want to start adding to this group right away, check the box for Active Media Group. You can also add an optional description if you want to. Now let's find objects to add. I'll start with a keyword search on the word cats. You can add objects directly from the results page by hovering over the thumbnail and clicking on the plus icon when it pops up in the right corner. If you want to get a closer look first, click on the item. When you get to the object page, hover over the image and click on the plus icon over on the left-hand corner. You can only add to one media group at a time. To add to a different one, you'll need to change the active media group. To make changes to your media group, click on the Explore tab and then the Media Groups link. Here you'll see all of your media groups listed on the left and all public groups on the right. This is also where you can create a folder. To edit a group, hover over its name and click on the Edit icon. This will take you back to the original setup form where you can change any values, add it to a folder, or change your active media group. To delete a group, hover over the name and click on the Delete icon. To view your media group, simply click on its name. From here, you'll have several more options for using the group. Properties will take you back to the setup form. Manage Group lets you remove items from the group or move items to other groups. Reorder will allow you to reorder the items. Copy creates a duplicate of the group. You can also display the items as slides, export the images, and export the images to a PowerPoint presentation file. However, the slideshow and export options will only include single image items. Audiovisual and multi-page items, such as books, are not supported. The Add External Media option allows you to search and add images from Flickr while remaining in the RIT Digital Collections platform. You can also add your own files to the media group by selecting the Add My Uploads option. This allows you to upload your own media to include in groups and presentations. Just click on Add Content or select from previously added files. These files are linked solely to your account and are not a part of the RIT Digital Collections, nor are they publicly viewable unless you add them to a public media group or presentation, which we'll cover in the next video. There's a lot you can do with media groups in RIT Digital Collections. Have fun exploring!